Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create the classic snake game using Arduino. Let's dive in and have some fun. Enjoy the tutorial! For this project you will need an Arduino board, an LCD screen, a PS2 joystick, a matrix board, and some wires. For the Arduino board you can use either the Sunfounder board, the Arduino Uno board, or any Arduino board you have. First, we will connect a wire to the 5V pin and another wire to the ground, as you can see. This connection provides the voltage source for our circuit. In this case, I'll connect the red wire to the 5V pin and the black wire to the GND pin. Next, connect the red wire, 5 volts, to the 5th row on the matrix, and the black wire, ground, to the 10th row. Note that each row on the matrix board is shorted, so the entire 5th row will be 5 volts, and the entire 10th row will be ground. After that, we need to connect the joystick. The joystick has 5 outputs: VCC, GND, BT, X, and Y. The VCC output. This is the power supply for the joystick, typically connected to 5 volts. The GND output. This is the ground connection, which completes the circuit. The BT output. This is the button output, which detects whether the joystick button is pressed. The X output. This is the horizontal analog output, which controls movement left or right. The Y output. This is the vertical analog output, which controls movement up or down. Next, we'll connect the VCC output from the joystick to the 5th row of the matrix, and the GND output to the 10th row of the matrix. Then connect the BT output to the 7th digital pin on the Arduino, the X output to the A0 analog pin, and the Y output to the A1 analog pin on the Arduino board. Then, we connect the VCC output from the LCD to the 5V pin and the GND output to the GND pin. After that, we connect the SDA and SCL pins to the corresponding communication pins on the Sunfounder board.